Well, hello there, AccuWeather Camp attendees. I hope you are having a nice summer thus far. We got the heat and humidity really starting to build here in the Northeast this week as we head into the 4th of July weekend. And getting ready for the 4th of July, you know, you think about the best things that you can make in the kitchen, some good salads, vegetables, and of course grilling a lot of tasty meats. So why not show off how it all starts, right? And we're talking about the garden itself. And my garden right here in the backyard, it's got a lot going on and a lot to offer. So here we're gonna just give you a little tour and show you exactly what is going on in the garden. So we start right here. I want to give you a bigger vantage point of it so you can kind of see without my face in the way. What I did is I built the actual garden itself and then put this path right in the middle of it so you can nicely walk in and check on your, developing produce here. Right here we have string beans or green beans, no matter how you want to look at it. And there's plentiful buds here already kind of popping up, and all of those flowers that you see right there will certainly give way to a beautiful string bean. And then there it is. You can see it there right in my hand. That's just one of the many that are forming right now. And also I want to bring you over to the next beauty, and that is the cucumber plants here. And in the distance, if you can see that, might be hard to see. I'll squeeze it in there a little bit. Yes, maybe so. Can see the distance. Yep, that is a cucumber back there. And then these are mini cucumbers that are, in the process of growing. And of course, several tomato plants here I have, and tomatoes that are in there. If you can see them, they're not red yet. They have some time to go. But we also have peppers, and pepper, I love a good pepper. And they love heat, okay? The hot sun is so important for peppers specifically. When it hits 90, ooh, they thrive. Another thing that I'm trying for the first time this year is Brussels sprouts. If anybody loves Brussels sprouts, this is how they develop. They actually start under the stalk. You can see that right there. The little guys right here, they're awesome. And they're so tasty. You can do so much with those. The other thing that I'm trying for the first time, that is broccoli. Take a look at this. Look at that. Isn't that cool? Isn't that cute? Right now it's just a mini broccoli. I've got a couple over here too. But before you know it, these will be very big. Now, along with the vegetables, I have a couple of herbs. We have some thyme, love thyme, do a lot of stuff with thyme. Basil, which is a favorite of many. And if you touch the leaf like this, you can actually smell it. It's such a potent smell. And then right here, something different. This is all oregano. So I'm getting excited to do maybe some type of sauce with this. So there are so many things that you can do with a garden, and kids love it because it's just, naturally seeing something develop and grow. And it's a great experience, and it really makes you appreciate nature. And of course, what is the biggest player? Well, the sun up there, a hot sun, and of course, the rain. So when it's not raining, you get a lot of heat, you get a lot of sun, there's going to be growth, but if there's no rain, you certainly want to water on a daily basis. So I hope you enjoyed my little tour of the garden here in the backyard on this very warm day as we head into the 4th of July weekend. And on a weekly basis, I promise, I will have an update on how the vegetables are doing. And on top of that, we'll do this towards the end when we harvest, probably closer into end of July, and then of course continuing into the early fall. We'll start developing some yummy dishes with the same stuff that I've been growing. So lots to look forward to. Thank you for watching here on the AccuWeather Camp, and we'll have more cool stuff for you.